In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create or open a MoonPay account. First is to head into account.moonpay.com and then enter your email address here. After entering your email address, you will be redirected into another page, which they need your verification code. Now just input the verification code that you just received and then wait for this page to reload until you reach the creation of your password. Now click the create password and then enter your phone number. Now they will send you another verification code into your phone number. And that is it. As you can see, the MoonPay page is now redirecting our account into the main dashboard. And that's how you can create a MoonPay account, and thank you for listening.